Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we are going to be unboxing the WeCool N1 Hi-Fi Stereo Wireless Neckband. This is the front side of the packaging where we can see what the product looks like. There's nothing else aside from that. On the right hand side, we've got the WeCool branding along with the model name and the category of product this happens to be. Nothing on the bottom, nothing on the top. Coming to the back side, we've got the specifications. So it uses Bluetooth 5.0. The transmission distance is about 10 meters. Driver size in either earphone happens to be 10 millimeters wide. Frequency response is from 20 Hz to 20 kilohertz. Impedance is 32 ohms. Mic sensitivity is minus 42 decibels with a tolerance of 3. Charging time for the battery is 2 hours, and with that you get a standby time of 100 hours, or a talk time of 10 hours, or a play time of 10 to 12 hours. Charging uses a 5-volt input, and the battery is rated for 135 milliamp hours, and it's also a LiPo battery or a LiPo battery. Over here you can see the features. They've got enhanced bass, it's super flexible. It uses A2CP technology. It enables hands-free calls. It has an ergonomic design, and the earbuds are magnetic. And it's also rated to be sweat and dust proof. Over here, you've got the manufacturer and importer's contact information. So that's it for the packaging. Let's go ahead and unbox it. On the inside, you've got several accessories. First being additional ear tips. Now these usually come in small and large size. That's because medium ones are pre-installed on the earbuds themselves. So here are the small ones and then the large ones. Then there's the charging cable. The WeCool N1 uses a micro USB interface. So you've got the micro USB interface on one side of the cable and the USB type A interface on the other side. The cable is about 25 to 30 centimeters long. You've got a little note asking you to scan the QR code to register the device for warranty. And on the other hand is a thank you note. Then there's the user manual or the instruction manual. Always read through the instruction manual to know exactly how to operate the device. Finally, you've got the neckband earphones. It's got a smooth, flexible neckband. Along with that, you've got pods on either side to give it a little bit of weight and keep it balanced. The right control pod has your controls. So you've got a little opening at the top. This is for the indicator LED or sometimes for the microphone. Then you've got a button for increasing the volume, a middle button for switching the device on or off, and also it acts up as your play pause button. In case you're making calls, this will allow you to answer calls or cut calls. And the last button happens to be the one for reducing volume. Then there's a micro USB interface over here. This is what you can use for charging the device. Then you've got the earbuds. They have a magnetized backside, so that becomes slightly convenient. Then you've got the wings for a slightly secure fit. And that's about it. This was the unboxing of the WeCool N1 Hi-Fi Stereo Wireless Neckband earphones. Thank you for watching.